All right, let's get started. Let's see. This week for me has been reviews. I've been working on Scrub, and I've started on porting the errorator and interruptible future code to standard coroutine. I think that will actually be super convenient to code in if I can get it to work. Yingjin?
Uh, uh, w- does it mean that our current safe then will also be changed?
Current what?
The current implementation with then will be changed to the coroutine.
No. Actually, they did a really good job designing it. So the way it would work
Uh,
is if you want to write a method that returns a future, you can choose to implement it as a coroutine. And ditto,
okay.
you can use futures within coroutines transparently. It's
Mhm.
basically just a slightly more efficient and convenient way to use futures. So no, we wouldn't have to convert any existing code. If it turns out to be
Okay.
a performance advantage, we might choose to convert some code just to reduce the number of allocations, but that's totally optional. We can mix and match both styles totally freely.
Yeah. Looks cool. And for me, first is sharded Seastore, and it's mostly about defining the sharded future store interface and the sharded Seastore device interfaces. And Sam, can you take another look if the new future store interface is reasonable from OSD perspective?
Sure. Can you mention me on the pull request? I'll put it in my to-do to look at tomorrow.
Okay, I think I have add
Oh,
you in the
that
PR.
works. Thank you. I see it.
And I also reviewed the Seastore data partial override proposals this week. That's all for me.
Okay, Chenmai?
I have modified the Markov Seastore PR according to the EC's comments about the decoupled interface definition for the filterized store and filterized sharded store. And then I have discussed with Yingxin about the device interface definition, and it's going to modify the device interface into device class and the sharded device class. So still working on that modification. So that's all. And okay, I have already fixed the Ceph CI field error and provide the tautology test request. So waiting for the result. So that's all.
Cool. Srihan?
This week I was mostly debugging the code for modifications of the LBA pointer PR. I think it's almost there. I think I can repush the PR this week. And I also reviewed the fine grained cache PR submitted by Jianxin. And uh, also I discussed with Yingxin last week about the Seastore clone methodology and started to work on a prototype. But that's all for me.
Cool. All right, is there anything else anyone wants to talk about? All right, short meeting. Have a good week. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.